When you are working in 3D space and you want to move or rotate some 3D layers, there are a couple of things you need to watch out for. Firstly, if I go and select this layer, you see that because it's a 3D layer, we have these arrows here. If I convert this back to a 2D layer, the arrows disappear, and as soon as it's 3D again, the arrows come back. Now the arrows are really useful, and you'll use them when you want to move or rotate the layer. What you don't want to do is to randomly move the layer by clicking and dragging this, because if you do this, you will actually create some problems for yourself, as you'll see later on. Let me undo this. What you also don't want to do is to use the rotate tool randomly by clicking anywhere on the layer. So if I get the rotate tool and then click and drag, you see that the layer is going to be rotating randomly. Now you don't want to do this. You want to make sure that with either one of these tools, you click on these arrows. You see if I move my cursor from this arrow to that one, it changes from X to Y. And if I move right to the center, it says Z. And you only want to rotate something or move something when you see these letters. Now if I see the letter Y, and if I click and drag, this locks the rotation only to be on the Y axis. Even if I try and go up and down, it won't rotate on the X, it just rotates on the Y. I can do the same for any of these. If I rotate it on the X like this, you see it only rotates that way and it doesn't rotate anywhere else. And same for Z as well. Let me undo. And also, if you want to move this layer around, you get the selection tool and then you click on these arrows so it's locked to Y, X, or Z. You'll see how important and useful this tip will be in the following tutorials.